listen up, because when it comes to keeping your home comfortable, I don't play around with fluff. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 years in the HVAC trenches. I've seen what works and what ends up as scrap metal. Today, we're looking at a ducted split heat pump battle between two heavyweights, the Amana ALZT7C and the Champion Momentum HL19. Both of these are premium tier 2-stage workhorses. If you're looking for field-tested advice on which one belongs in your backyard, you're in the right place. Let's talk armor. In the field, the biggest threat to your system isn't just the heat. It's hail, weed whackers, and stray baseballs. The Amana ALZT7C features a louvered steel coil guard. That's what I call superior armor. It's a heavy-duty cabinet designed to take a hit and keep the delicate fins inside safe. On the other side, the Champion HL19 uses slotted panels for protection. While these slotted panels are a step up from a basic wire mesh and get the job done for airflow, they still leave those fins more exposed to the elements than Amana's full louvered steel curtains. Both units come equipped with compressor blankets to keep the noise down, which your neighbors will appreciate during those late-night heating cycles. Under the hood, we are looking at 2-stage technology. This is the sweet spot for many homeowners. It runs at a lower speed for efficiency most of the time, but kicks into high gear when the weather gets extreme. The Amana ALZT7C pulls an HSPF2 rating of 8.2, while the Champion HL19 comes in at 8.1. In the real world, that's nearly a dead heat. This 2-stage tech matters because it prevents the all-on or all-off blast of air, giving you a more consistent temperature and a lower power bill than those basic single-stage units. Now, I want to hear from you. If you've got a ducted system, have you ever lost a coil to a hailstorm or a rogue lawnmower? That's where that louvered cabinet starts looking like a real good investment. Drop a comment below and let me know your field failure stories. This is where the gloves come off. In my world, a warranty tells you exactly how much a manufacturer trusts their own build. Champion offers a solid 10-year parts warranty and an impressive 99-year compressor warranty, but Amana takes the win here. The ALZT7C gives you a 10-year parts warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in the first decade, Amana doesn't just swap the part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. That is field-level peace of mind. So, who takes the trophy? While both are solid premium choices, I'm giving the win to the Amana ALZT7C. Between the superior protection of the louvered coil guard and that no questions asked 10-year unit replacement warranty, it's built to survive the real world, not just a lab. If you want to see how these stack up against other brands, head over to the head-to-head tool on the website and see the data for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical truths from the field. Stay cool.